Hey there. Having trouble with voice control or Google Assistant on your TCL Google TV, Android TV, Smart TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face issues with these features, but we're here to guide you on how to fix problems with voice control or Google Assistant in TCL Google TV, Android TV, Smart TV. In this detailed guide, we'll provide you with the practical steps to ensure that your smart TV is working smoothly, enabling you to enjoy these convenient features to their fullest. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you want to ensure is that your TCL Google TV is connected to the internet. Voice control and Google Assistant rely heavily on stable internet connection. Go to the settings menu on your TV and check the status of your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your router is working properly and has close proximity to your TV. If the connection is unstable, restarting your router or placing it closer to your TV can help. Step 2. Update your TV software. Ensuring your TV software is up to date is crucial for the smooth functioning of its features. To check for software updates, go to Settings, More Settings, Device Preferences, About, and select System Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. These updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues with voice control and Google Assistant. Step 3. Re-enable Google Assistant. If the voice control or Google Assistant isn't responding, try disabling and then re-enabling it. Go to the Settings menu and find the option for Google Assistant. Turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple reset can sometimes resolve minor glitches preventing the feature from functioning correctly. Step 4. Calibrate voice input. Sometimes the issue could be related to the microphone not picking up your voice correctly. Ensure your remote or device is listening correctly by navigating to the settings and checking microphone settings. Ensure it's clean and unobstructed. You can also try recalibrating the voice input under the settings menu to improve its accuracy. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If you've tried all the previous steps and nothing seems to work, factory reset might be necessary. This step will erase all your settings and data, so proceed with caution. Navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, Factory Data Reset. This should resolve any lingering software issues and restore your TV's functions to normal. Remember to back up any important data or preferences before proceeding with this step. By following these comprehensive steps, you can resolve common issues with voice control or Google Assistant on your TCL Google TV, Android TV, Smart TV. Whether it's checking your internet connection, updating the software, re-enabling Google Assistant, calibrating voice input, or resorting to a factory reset, there's a solution out there. Regular maintenance and updates can prevent these issues in the future, ensuring that your experience remains seamless and enjoyable. Enjoy your enhanced smart TV experience where you're back in control with just your voice.